welcome to my channel. My name is Hedi and I'm so happy that you guys are here. Today I'm going to show you what I eat in a week, and I'm also going to do a grocery haul, what I bought from Whole Foods. So without further ado, I want to jump into today's video. In total, I spent $58.76. Now I have Amazon Prime, so it saves me a lot of money. This week it saved me $10 in total. The second recipe, I'm making sweet potato butternut squash curry. It's so simple and it only needs a couple of ingredients. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Next up, I'm making this delicious salad. It's super fresh. And I'm also making an easy vegan mayonnaise. The recipe for both of them are in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please follow and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.